Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian 12.10 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first download by going to Debian official website, that is debian.org. Hit enter. Sorry, it is typo. So click on debian.org. See here, it is debian.org. Scroll down. Click on other downloads. Then click on download mirrors. Then go up. See here we have the CD USB or DVD USB. So click on DVD USB. Scroll down. See here we have the Debian 12.10 DVD ISO file. So click on this ISO file and see here its size is 3.7 gigabytes. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 3.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded Debian 12.10 ISO file. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and go to new virtual machine. Either is fine. Then click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse and go to the downloads directory where you have the Debian 12.10 ISO file. Select it and click on open. Click on next. Provide the name for the virtual machine. Okay. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse and select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Here we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. It is up to you based on availability. Then click on next. See, by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. But if you want to increase it to 4 or more or less, just click on this customize hardware. Then use this pointer, or you can provide the memory in megabytes here. Okay, either is fine. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on close and unselect this one. That is power on this virtual machine after creation. Then click on finish. Why I asked you to unselect the power on this virtual machine? Because still if you want to edit settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings or VM and settings, or just click on edit virtual machine settings. Okay, that's why I asked you to uncheck that. Okay, so if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Select language and click on continue. Select your location and continue. If your country or your location is not listed here, then select other. Okay, then click on continue. Then select keyboard language and continue. See, this is the host name. If you want to give some other host name, then give it here. Later also you can change this host name. Then click on continue. If you have domain name or if you want to create domain, you have to provide the domain name here. I don't have anything, so click on continue and keep it as blank. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So I am giving user full name as Arthur Schools. Then click on continue. This will be the username. If you don't want this one, you can provide the username here. Continue. Then set the password for this user. Then click on continue. See, we have to select the time zone. Why here it is showing these time zones? Because I have selected my location as United States. That's why it is giving these time zones. But if you select some other country, it will give different time zones. Okay, then select the time zone and click on continue. If you want to modify the time country, you have to click on go back and you can change. I'm okay with these settings, so click on continue. Now partition disks, I'm going to use guided and use entire disk and continue. Then select the disk for partitioning and continue. All files in one partition. But if you want separate partition, you can select these options. Continue. If you are okay with all the settings, this is just confirmation. Select this, finish partitioning, write changes to disks and continue. Changes to disk, select yes and continue. If you want to wish to scan more media, please insert another media. I don't want, so select no and continue. Network mirror, no. Do you want to participate in survey? No. Now here we have to select the softwares. By default, it has selected Debian desktop environment and Genome. You want to unselect it. And see here we have the like options, web server, SH server, and standard system utilities. Okay, and here we have the like XFCE, Genome flashback, KDE plasma, cinnamon, etc. options are there. It is up to you. Whatever you want, you can select. Okay, I'm going with Genome only. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm pausing this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now see here, install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting installation. Okay, so right click on this virtual machine, settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect these both check boxes, then click on OK, then click on continue. Now click on username and provide the password that we have set for this user. Initial setup, next, click on next. Next, I'm going with all defaults. Next, I don't want to connect any one of these online accounts. Then select skip. All done. So click on start using Debian GNU Linux. Now open terminal or simply drag to this favorites. Click on it. Let me increase the font. Font is a bit low. Click on preferences. Then select unnamed. Then select this checkbox, that is custom font. Then click on here, double click on it, click on this plus button to increase, select it, click on close. Now verify the version that I have installed, mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed Debian 12 bookworm, Qt hostname, see here, this is the hostname. Okay, see, you got the same. Now update the packages, sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade. This won't work because this user is not in sudo's file. Okay, so switch to root account, then provide the password of this account. Now run the same again, sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade, hit enter. See, you will receive this error. Okay, I will show you the solution. First, open any web browser, go to terminal, paste it, hit enter, click on this one, then scroll down. Now we have to copy these 4 comments in this file. Okay, so control it, sudo is not required, sudo vi /etc apt source list. First comment this one, press I to insert mode, give the hash symbol, then escape, shift A, hit enter, then copy these 4 lines up to this firmware. Okay, then paste it. I will keep this link in the video description. Okay, hit enter, then save the file, WQ colon WQ exclamation. Now run the same, sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade, hit enter. See, now it is working. Type and hit enter. I will keep this path and these files in the video description. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian 12.10 on VMware Workstation. Then we have performed the post installation steps. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.